Downloading an email template from Mailchimp is a straightforward process that allows you to use your designs across different platforms or save them for future use. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Templates. Click on the Campaigns tab from the main dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Email Templates to view your saved templates. Choose the template. Locate the template you wish to download. Click on the template name to open it. Alternatively, you can find templates by using the search bar if you have many templates. Export the template. Once the template is open, look for the export option. This is typically found under the Actions drop-down menu or near the top right corner of the template editor. Click Export as HTML to download the template as an HTML file. Save the file. A dialog box will prompt you to save the file. Choose the desired location on your computer and save the HTML file. Use the HTML file. You can now use this HTML file to upload the template to another email service provider, edit it with an HTML editor, or keep it for future use.